Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. So for today's tutorial, I'll be teaching us how to make a very simple waist belt. Very simple waist belt you can use on your dress. So this is basically what I'll be using for it. The fabric, you need the fabric, you need a gum stay. It would be a medium or the hard, depending on how thick you want or you want your belt to be. And then you'll be needing this accessory, this belt accessory. It comes in different shape, in different design. So this was one I was able to get in the market. This is it. So that's it. And this is actually the dress I made for the clients. This is the dress I made for the clients. This is the front. This is the front, and this is the back. The client is actually on the big side. So and this is the zip. You can, if you should look at it very well, it will be very hard for you to tell that there is a zip here. You see it, see it. So that's just that. This is where she's going to attach the belt. So I'll be teaching us how to make a simple waist belt, like I said earlier. So what you are to do is just to know the width of the belt you are to make. You know, we are going to attach it here. So what you just do is just to measure here. So for mine it's just 1 inch. This is 1 inch. Some are actually 2 inch, depending on the one you get, the one you buy. So for mine it's just 1 inch. You see it, 1 inch. So what I'm going to do is the width is going to be I just made mine 2 inch. 2 inch because I'm going to fold it. You can decide to make um 2.5 or 2 inch is still going to be okay. You know, I'm going to fold it. So I'm going to fold it. So that was why the width is 2 inch. Then for the length, for you to know the length of the belt you are to make, what you do is just take note of your client's waist plus quarter of her waist. That's example now. If your client's waist is 40, so what you do is 40 plus quarter of 40, and quarter of 40 is 40 divided by 4 is 10. So what you will do is 40 plus 10, which is a total of 50, and then plus probably 2 inch or 1 inch for seam allowance. That's for the length, because we are going to, seam allowance, we are going to sew here. So that is just basically it. So I've gone ahead to do mine. This is the fabric I actually use. It's actually a stretchy fabric. So depending um on how how like put it, on how strong or like stiff you want your belt to be. So it all depends on the gum stay you are to use. You can decide to use the hard one or the medium one. So it all depends on how you want your belt to be, how thick or how strong you want it to be. So that is it. So I've gone ahead to take note of the length of the belt. So the fabric was, what was mine was actually not up to the client's, what I need for the client's belt. So that was why there is a join here. But you see, if I turn it, it's not that visible. This is actually there is black here, and I use black to sew it, so it's actually not visible when I turn it here. So that's it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just fold it. There are different methods to fold it. You can decide to fold it like this, you know, decide to fold it like this, sew here, sew here. Then you can go ahead and turn it over. But I'm not going to do like that for this one, because I actually use a the hard one, the hard gum stain. And also, not only that, the width is not that much. So if I should sew like this, if I should sew like this, if it was just the fabric I sew like this, I can easily turn it. But since I added this thick the hard gum stain to it, if I sew and want to turn it, it will be very very hard. It will be very very almost impossible for me to turn it. So what I'll just do is just to, you know fold quarter, just a quarter here, a quarter here. Then I'll join this. I'll join it like this and go ahead and sew it. And go ahead and sew it. Sew it to the tip. Sew it to the tip. So that's what basically what I mean. So after sewing it, I'll just, you know, attach it like this. That's after sewing it. Something like this. Then the client can now you take care I'm going to sew it, so she can just go ahead and fix it like this inside. So let me go to the sewing machine and do that. I hope you understand what I tried to explain. There are different methods to fold it, like I said earlier. You can decide to use this. I told you the reason why I'm going to do it like this, and you can decide to also just do it like this. And so, depending on the width and the type of gum stay you use on it. So that's that. So let me go to the sewing machine and do that. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.